Hi, first of all, we're back at my aunt's place. It's Thursday. I haven't vlogged at all this week. I just have not been having a very good week. I have a story to tell you. So, yesterday, my mom went off for a walk. I was playing guitar, and I was like, hey, I should go hang the bathing suits outside to dry. So, my mom, she was just gone, and I was there. I came back in. The window shades, they swing on the door, so they swung out and I walked right into it and it gouged into the skin on my leg. And you saw stuff you're not supposed to see, let's just say. I'm not going to go into any details, but we'll just say it hurt. I was not feeling great. So I was laying down and my mom was like, oh, I don't know if you need stitches or not. So my grandmother came over and she's like, no, we can probably fix that with butterflies on the cut. And I was in shock and shaking and pale. I'm surprised I didn't faint actually, because here's the bandage. It's kind of hard to walk because the skin's being pulled together, but I actually was able to ride today. We rode for 3.5 hours. We rode 11 miles. It was a lot of fun, but I just have not been having a good last couple of days, so I haven't been vlogging much. But tomorrow we're leaving to go to the Space Coast, and I will get some good footage there because I'm sure that would be really interesting. Yeah, and then earlier this week we were just at my grandparents' and aunt's place. We would swim every afternoon and go to the library every morning to work, but nothing more than that really, so it wasn't exciting enough to vlog very much. But I definitely will keep you updated later now that we're back here and we're going to be leaving again, so see you later.